8th chapter, inverse trigonometric function. This chapter belongs to mathematics 1A part 3. Last part completed impounded 4 marks problem in IP examination. Today also we explain some more model impounded problems. What is the first problem? Show the cot of sine inverse of square root of 13 by 17. Square root belongs to numerator and denominator. Square root of 13 by 17 equal to sine of tan inverse of 2 by 3. First of all, we have to take LHS part. What is that LHS part? LHS part is cot of sine inverse of square root of 13 by 17. Here we have to take this one is A. Suppose put A is equal to sine inverse of square root of 13 by 17. Then sine A is equal to square root of 13 by 17. This is the value of sine A. This is sine A. After that, you can find this total A. You can find cot A equal to what? Cot A is equal to question mark. First, you can find this one is sine A. Sine A is equal to square root of 13 by square root of 17. That is opposite by hypotenuse. Correct or not, students? After that, you can write Pythagoras theorem. In this Pythagoras theorem, you can write this P is Q is R. Opposite is square root of 13. Hypotenuse is square root of 17. You can write hypotenuse square. Square root of 17 square equal to square root of 13 square plus QR square. Square root get cancelled. Square root get cancelled. 17 minus 13 is equal to QR square. QR square is equal to 17 minus 13, 4. QR is equal to 2. QR equal to how much? 2. This is the value 2. Here you can find cot A. What is the formula of cot? Cot A is equal to adjacent by opposite. What is the value of adjacent? Adjacent value is 2 by hypotenuse value of square root of 13. Therefore, cot A value is what? A value is sine inverse of square root of 13 by 17 is equal to value is given, that is 2 by square root of 13. LHS value is completed. You can find the RHS part. RHS is what, first of all? Sine of tan inverse of 2 by 3. Suppose we have to take this one is B. Put to B is equal to tan inverse of 2 by 3. Then tan B is equal to 2 by 3. Tan nothing but opposite by adjacent. After that, we can write Pythagoras theorem. In this theorem, QR. In this theorem, this is B. Opposite nothing but 2. Adjacent nothing but 3. You can find opposite. Here 2 square plus 3 square is equal to hypotenuse square. 4 plus 9 is equal to PR square. PR whole square equal to 13. PR equal to square root of 13. This value substituted in this equation. You can find which value here? Sine this total B. You can find a sine B. Sine B is equal to, what is the formula of sine? So ratio formula, opposite by hypotenuse. Here sine, what is the value of B? B value is tan inverse of 2 by 3 is equal to opposite value is 2 by hypotenuse value is square root of 13. This is the RHS part. LHS is what? 2 by square root of 13. RHS also is square root of 2 by root 13. Then LHS is equal to RHS. In this way you can find in this model problem. First you can find LHS value. After that you can find RHS value. After that both are equal or not, check. This is a very important 4 marks in IP examination. Next problem is find the values of tan of cot inverse 9 plus cosecant inverse square root of 41 by 4. That the square root of belongs to only numerator. Suppose we have to take this one is A, this one is B. Put A is equal to cot inverse of 9. Similarly, B is equal to cosecant inverse of square root of 41 by 4. After that, in this way, cot inverse cot A is equal to how much? 9. Cot A equal to 9. Similarly, in this way, cosecant B is equal to square root of 41 by 4. See students, this one is A, this one is B. Tan of A plus B. What is the formula of tan of A plus B? Tan of A plus B formula what? Tan A plus tan B by tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. This is the formula of tan of A plus B. Here you can find cot A. Using cot A, you can find tan A. Similarly, using cosecant B, you can find tan B. Similarly, that's why you get what? Cot A nothing but the 1 by tan A is equal to 9. Then tan A is equal to 1 by 9. You get tan A value. Similarly, cosecant, you can use Pythagoras theorem. In this Pythagoras theorem, suppose this is B. What is the formula? Hypotenuse by opposite. Square root of 41, opposite 4. This is A, B, C. Here you can write the hypotenuse. Square root of 41 square equal to AB square, nothing but 4 square plus BC whole square. Square root get 41 equal to 16 plus BC square. Then BC square equal to 41 minus 16. 41 minus 16 how much? 41 minus 16 is 25. After that BC is equal to square root of 25 nothing but 5. This is the value 5. Next you can find tan B. What is the formula of tan B? Tan B is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite value is what here? Opposite is 4 by adjacent. Adjacent is 5. This is the value of tan B. You get tan A and tan B. These two values are substituted in one. Tan of A plus B equal to what is the value of tan A? Tan A value is 1 by 9 plus tan B value is 4 by 5 all by 1 minus 1 by 9 tan A value. Tan B value is 4 by 5. You have to take LCM. 9 into 5 LCM. 9 5 is of 45. 5 1s of 5 plus 9 4 is 36. 4 by 1 minus 4 by 9 5 is of 45. So we can write tan of A plus B equal to 36 plus 5 41 by 45. Take LCM. 45 is the LCM. 45 minus 4. 45 get cancelled. Remaining what here? 41 by 45 minus 4 you get 41. Tan of A plus B value is tan of A plus B value is 1. What is the value of A? What is the value of A? A value is what here? A value is cot inverse of 9 plus B value is cosecant inverse of square root of 41 by 4. Value is 1. This value equal to 1. In this model problem also we come into the IB examination. Find the value of sine of cos inverse of 3 by 5 plus cos inverse of 12 by 13. In this problem, first you have to take this one is A, this one is B. You get what? Put A is equal to cos inverse of 3 by 5. B is equal to cos inverse of 12 by 13. Then cos A is equal to 3 by 5. Then cos B is equal to 12 by 13. After that you can write this one is AB. You can write sine of A plus B. What is the formula of sine of A plus B? Sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. This is the formula. In this formula you can find using cos A find sine A, using cos B find sine B. First you can write right angle triangle. In this right angle A, this is adjacent by hypotenuse. This is 5, this is 3, you get this is 4, this is triple points. That's why you can write sine A. What is the value of sine A? Sine A value is what here? Sine A value is opposite by hypotenuse. That's why you can write opposite 4 by hypotenuse 5. Sine A completed. Similarly, this is right angle B. This is adjacent by hypotenuse. 30, 12, 30 square 169 minus 144 you get 25. 25 square root is 5. That's why you can write sine B equal to Once again, opposite by hypotenuse. What is the value of opposite? Opposite value is 5 by hypotenuse value is 13. These are values. Sin B value, sin A value, cos A value, cos B value substituted in this equation 1. You get what? Sin of A plus B equal to sin A. Sin A value is 4 by 5 into cos B. Cos B value is 12 by 13 plus cos A. Cos A value is 3 by 5. Sin B. Sin B value is 5 by 13. You can simplify this one. 12 4s are 48 by 13 by 65. 3 5s are 15 by 13 by 65. 48 plus 15 how much? Here you can take 65 is LCM. 48 plus 15. 48 plus 15 nothing but 63 by 65. This is the value of sin of A plus B. You know that the A value. What is the value of A? A value is cos inverse of 3 by 5 plus B value is cos inverse of 12 by 13 is equal to 63 by 65. This is the value of given function, given problem. Next, today assignment problem or homework problem is find the values of tan of sin inverse 3 by 5 plus cos inverse 5 by square root of 34. You can write this one is A, this one is B. You can write tan of A plus B. What is the formula of tan of A plus B? Tan of A plus B formula tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. This one is the formula. In this formula, sin A value is what here? Sin A value is 3 by 5. Cos B value is 5 by square root of 34. You can use sin A, find tan A. You can use cos B, find tan B substituted in this equation. Next problem is, this one is A, this one is B. You can write cos of A plus B. What is the formula of cos of A plus B? Cos of A plus B formula cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. This one is the formula. In this formula, sin A value is 3 by 5, sin B value is 5 by 13. Use sin A, find cos A. Use sin B, find cos B. Substituted in this formula, you get answer. These two problems are previous problem model. Do the total problem.